Hey Jelly Beans, John coming back at you for another unboxing diecast video. Oh my, if you know what I mean, Jelly Beans, yeah. Alright, I'm doing this one in my car because I am at work. It is Monday the 1st, July 1st. Yeah, Monday, July 1st, 2024. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright, Jelly Beans, I am back. I'm going to open this box up right now. If I am correct, this is from Miss Calamity Jones from Whatnot. I will put her link in the description down below. Also at mine, when you sign up, you get a $10 in-app credit to whatever you prefer to look up. Oh boy, and she sent me some other things besides diecast, so I can't wait to see them. Alright. Alright, let's start off with these. Alright, who ordered some moon pie? Yeah. Moon pie. Too bad you're short wrong size for me. Alright, here we go. Monster High Ghoul Mobile. It's a pretty neat car. I think she gave me that to give to my niece. I'm not sure. I'll give that to my niece. Thank you, Calamity. You're the bomb. You're the bomb diggity. Yeah. Get this all situated before I get into work. Do my video. Alright, here we go. What is it? Did she really put this in here? I thought she was really pulling my leg. Here's a meat chopper. A meat grinder. Chopper. Yeah, meat grinder. Chopper. Yeah. Calamity, I thought you were messing with me. Alright, here we go. Let's unwrap this one. I love how she wraps her stuff. She's awesome at doing her stuff. And yes, I did get a couple loosies. If it catches my eyes, I'll ask for it. Oh, that is a nice ride. I like that. It's pretty sweet. I like that. Thank you, Calamity. What's this? What's this? Alright. This is M2. I knew about a box. Pick them up. Dodge. Pick them up. Dodge is a sweet car. Truck. It's Dodge 79 150. Power wagon pickup truck. What do we got here? I have a lot of videos coming up. Probably this next coming week. What do we got here? Oh, that is sexy. 1955 Chevy Bel Air from the California Lowriders. That's sexy. I like that a lot. Another M2, I believe. Yep, M2 says M2. I didn't know I ordered another M2. What is it? Ooh. calamity. That is sweet. Thank you very much. Did I say she's a bomb diggity? It's Dodge van. I like that a lot. Alright, let's get back into the hotties, the Hot Wheels. Oh no, Matchbox, my bad. And Hot Wheels. Alright, here we go. Here's a Matchbox. Here's a 1980 AMC Eagle. I like that. I love AMC cars. Here is Kit. Pursuit Mode. Pontiac Firebird. Or Trans Am. Sweet, I like that. Here goes a custom auto. Custom auto. Yeah, here goes my, I want this, it's a Mercedes. I believe this is my first Mercedes. Mercedes, 51, no, it's, yeah, S123 wagon. I like that, it's nice. I love my wagons. And here we go, recycling trash truck. Total disposal. Well, that's it for the video, everybody. Oh, what's this? Hold on. Thank you. Thank you very much. My niece would really enjoy it. I know what car you were talking about. Thank you very much, Miss Calamity Jones, everybody. Her link will be down below. Everybody, thank you all for watching. If you like, please like, share, and subscribe. My link is down below for whatnot, and Miss Calamity Jones will be down in the link down description down below. Have a good day. Peace.